Expanding storage, adding virtual hard disks. As you use a virtual machine, you may find that the original disk space allocated during setup is no longer sufficient. Whether you are installing large applications, storing more files, or running databases, expanding storage by adding a virtual hard disk is an efficient way to increase available space without starting over. Virtual machines support dynamic storage allocation, meaning you can add or expand virtual disks as needed. In this lesson, we will explore why and when you should expand storage, how to add a virtual hard disk in VirtualBox and VMware Workstation, and best practices for managing virtual storage efficiently. Why expand storage in a virtual machine? When a virtual machine is created, it is assigned a fixed amount of disk space. Over time, the storage may become insufficient due to various reasons, including growing file sizes, database expansion, log and cache files, and the need for additional partitions. Rather than reinstalling the OS or migrating to a new VM, expanding storage is a faster and more efficient solution. Adding a new virtual hard disk in VirtualBox. Adding a new hard disk in VirtualBox allows a VM to use additional storage without modifying the existing system. To add a new virtual hard disk, power off the VM, go to VirtualBox Settings, and attach a new disk under the Storage tab. Once added, the new disk needs to be formatted inside the guest OS before use. Expanding an existing virtual hard disk in VirtualBox. If you want to increase the size of an existing virtual disk, VirtualBox provides a resize option. After expanding the disk in Virtual Media Manager, you need to extend the partition inside the VM using Disk Management in Windows or Resize 2FS in Linux. Adding a new virtual hard disk in VMware Workstation. Similar to VirtualBox, VMware Workstation allows you to add additional storage. By accessing the VM settings, you can attach a new virtual hard disk and allocate space dynamically or as a fixed size. After adding the disk, it must be initialized and formatted inside the VM. Expanding an existing virtual hard disk in VMware Workstation. VMware allows users to expand disk size through the VM settings. After resizing, the guest operating system needs to recognize the new space, which can be done through Disk Management in Windows or partition resizing tools in Linux. Best practices for managing virtual storage. Use dynamically allocated disks for flexibility. Allocate enough space initially to avoid resizing issues, and regularly check available disk space to prevent slowdowns. Backing up important data before resizing ensures data protection, and using SSDs significantly improves VM performance. Final thoughts. Expanding virtual machine storage efficiently. Managing storage in a virtual machine is crucial for performance, organization, and scalability. By using shared folders, expanding disk capacity, or adding multiple disks, you can ensure that your VM has adequate storage without needing to recreate the environment. In the next lesson, we will explore disk performance tuning and storage optimization techniques, including disk caching, SSD optimizations, and reducing virtual disk fragmentation to enhance overall VM performance.